Hey, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and look, bro, Samsung is plugging with all this free stuff right now. Like, now we got a wireless charger. It came free with my Z Fold 3, and over there I got Galaxy Buds 2. That came free with it too. But today we got wireless charger by Samsung. It's pretty generic, as you can see, but we got compatible with Galaxy phone, Buds, iPhone, and AirPods. So all we gotta do is go and get this thing unboxed. So y'all know what we gotta do. Let's get into it. Alright, y'all, we back here again at the legendary unboxing table. As you can see here, we got the wireless charger like I was just showing y'all at the pool table. So basically, this is gonna be a pretty simple unboxing because it's a wireless charger. You can't really do nothing with it. So we're gonna go and jump straight into this. So we got wireless charger compatible with Galaxy phone, Buds, iPhone, and AirPods like I just showed y'all again at the pool table. We got the wireless charger itself, and then we got the Samsung logo. On the left side, we got wireless charger sans fil in French. On the back, we actually got 9-watt fast wireless charging on here. So that's how fast it's gonna charge your devices. And it's also compatible with the same thing that I already read again. We got LED dimming mode, so it's only compatible on the Galaxy S10 and higher, as you can see here it says on there. So basically what that means is it has an LED on here, so when you throw your device on there, it's gonna go ahead and dim the light on there for you. And that's pretty much it around the box. So now let's go ahead and close this first, and now let's go and get into this boy. So again, pretty plug that comes with the Z Fold 3. Even though that thing is mad expensive, still that's pretty decent. Now this ain't permanent, obviously, that's gonna come with the Z Fold 3, but this is a decent deal. So alright, now let's go and bust this thing open real quick. As you can see here, there we go. So not the most like streamlined unboxing experience here from Samsung. Like I've seen better from them. But all right, so we got a wireless charger here in black. So bang, just like that. Let's go and take off this plastic wrapping here, and just like that. Cool. So as you can see here, we do have a couple icons here. So we have the actual phone, and then we got the earbuds icon here, and I'm not sure what that dot is for. Maybe that's telling you where to put your phone at. But we got a quick start guide. You know what we do with that. We throw it to the side as always. We have our USB-A charging brick here. So it's actually a adaptive fast charging brick here, and it's gonna take, like I said, a USB type A. So in that case, we should get a USB-A to USB-C cable here. So let's go and get this out of here real quick. And like I just said, USB-A to, just like that, USB-C. First time plugging it in, just looking around here real quick, we do got our type C here, and this thing is really light, man. So I think this thing is actually plastic, but still, let's go and plug this in for the first time. There's our LED indicator. Now we're gonna go and do some testing. So let me get my Fold here out of my pocket, and let's go and throw that on there real quick. Just like that. Now it is charging. If I zoom in here real quick, we got fast wireless charging. Let me go and turn on my screen real quick. As you can see there, it does say fast wireless charging, so that's pretty dope. Taking the Z Fold 2 here, as you can see there. Now we got fast wireless charging here. Let me go and turn it on real quick. And bang, just like that, fast wireless charging, as you can see. Z Fold 3, you know, the phone that came with it. All right, so just like that, fast wireless charging again. Let me go and cut that on real quick. As you can see here, fast wireless charging. And now lastly, we got the iPhone 13, just like that, bang, charging. We got the S20 Ultra. Let's go and throw that on there real quick. Bang, charging. So let me go ahead and turn that on real quick. Fast wireless charging. And then we got the Pixel 6 Pro. I don't know if it's going to do much because it's already on 100%, but as you can see there, it's now charging. So I appreciate y'all for coming through. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at DecentTech on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. Let me know. Would y'all go and pick up one of these? They actually run for like 40 bucks. So I already got a Nomad one. I'm probably not going to really use this, but we'll see. Appreciate y'all for coming through. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one then. Peace out.